see me. Let me bend down some or squat or do what I gotta do. Those who don't know, I'm Leekautorepair. Make sure you check out my channel. I see you guys are starting to leave your little nasty comments, haters to say, but it is what it is. Y'all just mad because y'all ain't me, so that's what it is at the end of the day. So I got a package, and it was sent, I forget the person's name or whatever, but they sent me this Autel, what model? AL319. I've noticed a bunch of guys already got like reviews on it already. I know I said already like 8 times already, but they did reviews on it, but they asked me to do a review, and it's my channel, so that's what I'm gonna do. So let me show you guys before I open it, and this is, I'm gonna leave a picture on the side while I read out these features or whatever. All right, so it ain't nothing special. Don't think that you bought a bi-directional scan tool if you have this and you want to know how to work this. This is just a code reader, reads live data. The features on here, you can read the features because I got a picture of it on the side. Like I said, you clear your check engine lights, you know, check your lights, your codes and stuff. Only P codes, of course, for the powertrain. And what else? Looks like you can update it through the internet. It has like a data cord inside. I'll show you that in a second. Like I said, you can clear it. It is colored. The LCD screen is colored, so that's good. And pretty much, I guess it's just used to check your emissions components, pretty much to make sure you're, you know, if you're on drive cycles, and make sure your monitors are set. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this, and I'm gonna plug it up to this car. You see right behind me, I recently did an engine on this. If you guys watch me on my live stream a few videos back, you saw that I've done engine replacement. The day is back in. I'm just waiting on a few parts for the exhaust, so it's kind of loud, but it does start. It does start, and I gotta figure out, you know, check engine light is on. So sometimes when you do engine replacements or swaps, on initial startup, you'll have probably, not all the time, sometimes you have a couple codes to take care of, like connectors or a bad sensor or whatever. So I got a couple kinks I gotta get rid of, so it is what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and I wanna open this. Now try to keep it packaged right, you know, not all like ripped up, because I want to give this away. Let me talk louder. I want to give this away to, you know, subscriber. Of course, I want to do like a core raffle. I'll leave details in the description, and I'll talk more about this at the end of the video, of course. So let me go ahead and open this. Here's the code reader. I left there's the data cable inside of it. I left that in there because, you know, I don't need it right this second. And two, I don't want to tear up the packaging, because I want to reuse this and, you know, ship this to the winner, whoever wins this. So you can see, bam, like I said, ain't nothing really too, it's not bland, but your typical OBD2 reader to say. So let's just go ahead and plug it up. All right, I'm inside of the car. It's messy, of course. No, that's not from me, from the previous technician, with the, you know, the dirt and the mud everywhere or whatever, but it's irrelevant. So excuse the chime, but let me just go ahead and plug this up. The cable on this is not long, as you can see, but I mean, for such and such dollars, how much can you complain? So let me go ahead and leave the ignition on first. I'm tired of it beeping. Ignition on, and go ahead and plug this in. Oh my God, this chime is getting on my nerves. All right, now that that's over, because it was getting on my nerves. So let me zoom out. Okay, as you can see. All right, cool. So got your basic functions right here: enter, exit, scroll, all for one button, and, you know, check your monitors by clicking this, of course. But we'll figure it out. So let me go ahead and read the code, because I do have a check engine light code, and let me go ahead and enter. It's my first time using it, so I'm just seeing how, you know, checking out the features for you guys, for those who are interested, and I guess for the giveaway as well. But this is the review. Here we go, because sometimes these protocols, and We need to get it together because sometimes it takes forever. Oh, wow. Oh, okay. All right. I thought it was only P codes, but look like we can read transmission. But let's first go down to the engine because I want to check my P codes. And this is illuminated, meaning that monitors are not ready. But we'll get into that in a second because this is new to me too as well. I just know green means good. So let's go read codes and stored codes. And it has a code for I already know what this is, 0012. And let's go down. Actually, it's only one code, so there's no need to scroll. But for the most part, I already know what this is. Put a connector in, of course. And let me go backwards because that's the only code. So read the code, of course, going backwards. And I don't need to check pending or pending codes because the car is a new battery and the monitors are set, of course. I put an engine in. The monitors won't be ready. So go back again. And what am I doing? I go down to previous menu. And I want to erase these codes because in a second, well, let me just show you guys the erase function. So let's just erase this just so you guys can see. Yep, I want to erase it. And that's how you will be erasing it if you have this code. And, you know, male or female, it doesn't matter. It's really easy. So, any key to continue. Then I want to go down to live data. And I'm curious as to how many inputs can this thing show me. So I'm going to do the complete data set. Okay, I'm gonna scroll down. So it'll just look like your, your basic stuff: fuel trims, RPM, spark advance, throttle position. Got your O2 voltages. So your typical stuff off live data, but at least it shows your fuel trims for the most part. So let's go back and, getting into live data, that's a whole nother topic. If you're just into scanning codes and clearing it, then, you pretty much don't need that function. But if you want to get intricate and learn how to read live data, that's a whole nother topic as well. So let's go back. And no, what am I doing? Let's go back to the previous menu because it's only got a scroll button only going down. So this is really weird about this. So let's enter previous menu, freeze frame. You can check out your freeze frame. No freeze frame stored. Let's go back and let's go down to the IM readiness. And as you can see, let me know that the engine light is off because I cleared the code, of course. And that's why there wasn't any freeze data either, because I cleared the code, being as though one was already stored from a sensor that I already know about. Misfire monitor, a fuel, cat. Let's go down. Let's see what else. So we got one incomplete. Got NA. Got another one incomplete. Secondary air injection. NA. O2 incomplete. Heater. Basically, this car needs to be driven for most of these monitors to set. In the state of Pennsylvania, you need at least one not ready for, well, this particular year. You need, this is 2007. Some cars you may need two not ready, but this one particular year, you need at least one not ready to run the emissions. So most of these monitors aren't ready, and that's where these functions come into place. Of course, green means good. So I'm back at the main menu. Let me scroll down some more and see if I see anything special. That I don't. Unit of measurement, vehicle info. I don't care about that stuff when I'm looking for the code. I care about what the code is, if I can see live data, and if the monitors are ready. That's what these come in to play. That's what these come in handy, is what I really meant to say. These are for your do-it-yourselfers, new students or whatever, or an estate inspector, and you don't need anything expensive. You just need something to quickly read the code. So that, not the code, but you need something to quickly tell you if the monitors are ready. And I think this tool is the best tool for it. It don't have to be this model or brand, but quickly getting monitor statuses. Like I said, go-to tool for these indicators right here. You see, you got the triangle. It's already illuminated. Before it was red, but now I cleared the codes, and I guess probably means, correct me if I'm wrong, whoever did the review, whoever has this tool, whatever. All I know is if it's green, monitor is ready. If it's not, then it's not. Or if it needs to be driven, maybe this what the triangle means. I'm not sure. I just need to know if it's green or if it's red. So that's all that matters. But of course, we already know how to get to the monitor readiness. All right, now that's all I got to cover. Let me lean down so you can see me. That's all I got to cover with this tool. It's nothing else. It's a code reader, but you know what it is. But I know you guys are antsy. You want to know if this engine starts. I did start it up today. I will start it up in a second so you guys can know. The exhaust is off because I'm waiting on the gasket and a few other things, but it starts. So it's got to worry about the little small stuff. So let me go ahead and fire it up so you guys can hear. And then afterwards, we're going to talk about the giveaway. It starts, it runs, we know that. Whoever does engines and transmissions, you know that, you know, what you gotta go through, the little small stuff once you get it running. But it's in here, it's running. So tomorrow is expected, this is going out the door. Started on this last Thursday. Yeah, took it out, what was it, Thursday or Friday if I can remember. Saturday I didn't work, Sunday I didn't work, Monday I didn't work. But I came in on Tuesday and put it back in Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Got it started on Wednesday. So three days, technically 3 days of work time put into this car, but it was a few days in between when I didn't work or whatever. But it's in 19, 20-hour job. It is a pain in the rear because it's a lot of little small stuff. So I'm going to be doing a raffle, just like I did last time. Write your name on the paper, put it in the hat, whirl it around, pull your name out, call your name. You won. If you won, you know my email, leekautorepair@gmail.com. If you want, I call your name. Make sure you email me your wherever I'm shipping this to, your home address, aunt's address, your grandparents' crib, whatever. I don't know. Let me know where I'm supposed to be mailing this at. We could do this tomorrow because I gotta edit this video, gotta put out. I can't go live tonight because this video ain't out. Gotta do the review first and then the giveaway. So video first, giveaway next. And like I said, if you won, leave me your information and your email. You can look it up in the about section and I can be found Leekautorepair@gmail.com, just stated as my YouTube name. Excuse me, I'm talking louder because it's banging in the background. But yeah, so make sure you guys are already subscribed to my channel. I don't want you to be one of those type of viewers. You just in for it because it's a giveaway. Make sure you already subscribe to my channel. And make sure you subscribe to my Instagram too. Let me know you subscribe to both. If you want in too, leave a comment. You know, let me know, you know, how I helped you, what video brought you to you subscribing to my channel. Whatever, share your experience or whatever, but that's all I got to talk about.